FedEx is here with holy moly guacamole. Oh my god. I don't want to bother this guy, so it's my JoJo's and stuff from Target. That guy looked like somebody that I used to know, but I don't think he would be driving a FedEx truck. Is that Little John? I should walk outside and be like, is your name John? Is your name John? I don't think so, but it could. Imagine. I don't know. I got a new pair of kicks from this brand called Hey Dude. My cousin sent me an Instagram advertisement or a post of their sneakers online, and she asked me what I thought of them, and I was like, oh great, not another Instagram sneaker that's like $300. And I saw their prices and I was pleasantly surprised. They're not even $100. They were $64.99, give or take a few cents. And they didn't have my first option available in my size because they were sold out. So I got the Karina Jet Black in a size 10. And I'm hoping that if I need to return them, it would be easy. But they're supposed to be very comfortable. And I was a little disappointed because they didn't come in a box. They came like in a plastic package in this bag like this. They look kind of cute. They don't have like, you don't have to lace them up. And they're supposed to be very, very comfortable, but we'll see. I'm gonna put them on now. But first, I wanted you to look at them. So this is supposed to be black, jet black. And there's like a little pink and like a snakeskin pattern on the back there. They're cute, but I don't know. I might be colorblind. And the soles are white. And I'm going to put on some little socks and try these on for you. At first glance, I wanted to share with you that I had to like pull them pretty well. Like from here, from the heel, and stretch the tongue to get my feet in them. So at first glance, they're okay. I'm gonna wear them to the store and see how they feel. I'm gonna go to the grocery store to get something for dinner and see how they feel. They're supposed to be like mad comfortable, but we'll see. We shall see. I think the style I wanted was like leopard print and they were sold out of my size. Shoot, there's like a little thread here. And so, yeah, we'll see. Slip into one of the most comfortable experience your feet will ever have. Hey Dude shoes. YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Hey Dude Shoes at Hey Dude Shoes. Hey Dude Shoes. What does it say on the inside? Interesting. Hey Dude. Side of the tag it says, Hey Dude, our story. Excuse me. Made with love from us to you. Each new style is so much more than just a shoe. It's the promise of a new adventure and an opportunity for exciting discoveries. Your dudes right out of the box are down to be your best buds, sticking by and supporting you every step of the way on your life's journey. And then down there it says lightweight, comfortable, flex and fold technology, removable insole. Oh, really? Why? Ideal for travel, machine washable. I don't know if I'd wash these on the machine. Hey Dudes, shoes.com. I'm not comfortable with pulling my shoes in the machine. Maybe I should just cut this with a string because I'm afraid I don't want to ruin the laces here. I mean, they do look nice, and so far they're comfortable. I'm gonna do the stand-up test. Because I fluctuate between like a 9.5 and a 10, depending on the shoe. With sneakers, usually I need a little extra room. These don't come in half sizes, and that's why I went with the 10. I usually go full size up to a 10 if half size isn't a possibility, because 9s tend to be small for me, so I went with the 10. I'll let you know what I think when I go to the store and come home and what they're like walking around in the store. I'm probably not going to vlog though at the store though, so you know. Okay, I'm going to break them in and give you my honest opinion.
Do